wanna go into it. Like, yeah. Oh no.
Who wants to go mining with me? I'm in the mines, comes if you just want to.
What is that? Did I just... What happened? Oh, well. Oh my god, I died. Like, literally.
Wait.
Red. It's red games, not squid games.
Yeah, you're gonna win items.
Hey, you want the
Michael? Do you have the lighter? Do you have the lighter? Just
What the
hell?
What even was that?
You're scary. Scary to do. I'm scared.
I want my...
That's the lighter. You have that lighter.
Hey, that likes the whole server. Let me help him. He's learning the server, bro. Oh. How do you get one of them, bro? How do you get you log out?
Ooh, electrical line. I totally won't die.
Yeah! Cooking with Jimmy. Cutie.
Bro, the map changed.
Oh, can I get the boom? No, can I get
Looks
the
so
boom?
different.
What? Time to go through time. Yeah. Oh my papa, I'm scared. What's happening? What's that thing? What even is it? Oh my god! Oh my god!
I'm scared, man.
Oh, I want my papa. No. Oh my god, my booty cheeks.
Yeah,
I'll give it for that boom.
I want it.
Alright. Bro, I sweat off my ass for that, because they weren't viable when they
Yo,
came
dude,
out,
I have
you know?
one of those. I have one. What the? No. These people are pissed.
You want this?
Hey, you!
Alright.
You wanna go mining with me, please? Please?
What the fuck? What the fuck is that? It looks like a curse.
Oh, please. Please.
Yo.
Please.
How the size of
Who wants to go chill in sewers?
fucking person. Alright, the key's a little kid. I will leave it up. Come on.
Who did? Come here. I said come here.
What is happening?
Come here. Guys, if you ever go to sewers, if you want to challenge for you guys, go to sewers.